In this quick video guide, we're going to see where we can download and play free on Assassin's Creed Odyssey. We can do that on the official Ubisoft website. So if you want to find this page right here, all you need to do is to go to the Google search bar and type free weekend Ubisoft. And from here, you can just go directly to the free weekend offer. So let's click here, and it's going to bring you right here into the home page, and you can change the language here in English. So all you need to do here is just select the platform that you want to use, like Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Ubisoft Connect PC, or Google Stadia. So pick the one that you like. You can read all the information here. Just click here, and there you go. So you can play for free from December 16th to December 20th, and you just need to launch the Ubisoft Connect on your PC. By the way, you need to have an account, so if you don't have an account, you first need to create one. It's really simple, and then you just log in. You can see here I've already logged in, and once you have logged in and create your account, just launch the Ubisoft Connect PC if you have it installed. Otherwise, you need to download this application first. Now this is of course for PC, and then you have all the other options like you saw before. Now you can also search here for other games if you're interested. Just type free games, Ubisoft, and you can see here the free events. So if you click here as well, you can access the same page that we saw before, or you can see other free games that you can get from Ubisoft. So this is definitely an excellent website for video gamers and people who are interested in playing free games. So this will be all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.